Da! Welcome to the second series of Tamm Tamm. Mi ar môs prenasa heddiw. I'm going shopping today. Tibians da yw gil roll brenasa. It's a good idea to make a shopping list so you don't buy more than you need to. And for practice, why not make your shopping list or roll brenasa in Kernewek? Faf pebis, falo carenza, suben, a fallow or a fallow bananas. Patatis, caretis, coal. Manon, curs, oyo. Bow's cath. So, on my shopping list I have Fav pebis, baked beans, Avalo carenza, tomatoes, suben, soup, Avalo, apples, or Avalo, oranges, bananas, patatis, potatoes, caretis, carrots, cool, cabbage, a manon, butter, curs, cheese, oil, eggs, Bow's cath, cat food. Hello, Blowek, Bow's cath. Omen. Down 3 sack. Dalor. Yo, Owen.
Mitten da, Steve.
Fat Lagenis.
Mathis da. Fat Lagenis.
Brintin Moraz. Mira Gil Prenasa heddiw. Tu Genis.
Tu Genis.
Dydd da.
Ah, Steve, Geheminado.
Fat Lagenis.
Mathis da. Hati, Fat Lagenis.
Splan.
Da Wellis.
Dydd da Arta.
Ah, Steve. The Hadges da.
Fat Liw Taclo Genis.
Mathis da. Hati.
Pure da.
Da Wellis.
Gymmer Waith.
Ah, Steve. Di da dis.
Fat Liw Enbis Genis.
Mathis da. Hati.
In point da. Anor. Dydd da Hwath Arta.
Di da disaji.
Fat Lagenis.
Mathis da. Hati.
Dalor. Bist yn nesa tro.
Da Wellis.
There you go.
Yo, Steve. The third da.
Dydd da Fat Lagenis.
Mathis da. Hati. Fat Lagenis.
Sgweith. Pure sgweith.
Nos da, Steve.
Tu sono. So that's the shopping done. Did you notice all the different greetings that were used every time I bumped into Owen? Here's a recap. Yo, Hi. Dydd da. Hello. Graheminado. Greetings. Mitten da. Good morning. Dehadjeth da. Good afternoon. Gorthura da. Good evening. Dydd da arta. Hello again. Dydd da these. Good day to you. Dydd da these a G. Good day to you. And then there were all the ways of saying goodbye. Diwgenes. Goodbye. Dawelez. See you. Kemerwith. Take care. Anor. Bye for now. Bis the nesatro. Until next time. Nos da. Good night. Du sono. Bless you. Did you also notice the variations around Fatlagenes? Fatlagenes, how are you? Literally, how goes it with you? Fataliu Taklogenes, how are things with you? Fataliu and Beers Genes, how's the world with you? And then there were all the different answers to Fatlagenes. Brintin, brilliant. Splan, splendid. Pure da, very well. In point da, in good spirits. Dalor, okay. Squeeze, tired. Pure squeeze, very tired. Marthis da, marvellous. Or in the case of my amazingly positive friend Owen, you might be Marthis da, marvellous all the time. Making a roll Branassa in Kernewek can really improve your Cornish, save you money, and make shopping a bit more interesting. Well, hen you all, that's all for now. Join me next month for Tamm Kernewek, a bit more Cornish. Diwgenes, bis the nesatro, Diwgenekwi.